If you're using Odoo, you're already using PostgreSQL. But are you using it to its full potential? Most Odoo users treat PostgreSQL as just the backend. But in reality, it's your key to unlocking everything Odoo is capable of. Why settle for less when you can customize the best? You wouldn't wear shoes that almost fit. You wouldn't wear a shirt that kinda works. So why settle for a database that doesn't mold to your exact needs? With PostgreSQL, you're not forced to adapt. The database adapts to you, and that's exactly what we do. Customize PostgreSQL to fit your Odoo environment precisely, efficiently, and scalably. Odoo runs on PostgreSQL for a reason. It's not just compatible. It's customizable, scalable, and built for high-performance environments. We can tailor the data types to match your exact models, custom functions, triggers, and stored procedures that automate business logic. Optimize queries that match real-world workflows and fine-tune configurations for data volume, concurrency, and complexity. PostgreSQL doesn't limit you to what's in the box, and neither do we. We unlock its full potential for your Odoo system. Custom operators and indexes? Done. Materialized views for instant insights? Implemented. Granular permission structures? Designed. If you want scaling strategies, it can be built for your architecture. ERP systems like Odoo handle complex and evolving business processes. PostgreSQL is the rare database that grows with you, and we're here to make sure it grows the right way. If your business logic evolves, PostgreSQL adapts with it. If you have unique reporting requirements, our custom reporting layers solve them. And if high performance demands, our engineered solutions meet them head-on. Designed to integrate, engineered to adapt, customized for your exact vision. With deep expertise in both Odoo and PostgreSQL, we bring together flexibility, performance, and precision. Why settle for off-the-shelf when we make PostgreSQL fit your business like it was built just for you?